did you make the decorations for the block party?
Oh, right. I totally...
Just put these up.
Balloons? No way! I can't use these! Balloons can be made of latex or plastic. When they end up tangled in our environment, animals may eat them and get sick. Gross! Not on my watch. I'm the plastic blaster, and where I roam, conservation goes! Let's make pom-poms instead! To make an awesome pom-pom, grab a stack of tissue paper. Mix different colors. Grab pipe cleaners and a pair of scissors. Fold the paper back and forth, over and under, until it becomes one long stack. Like an accordion. Ooh la la. Grab your scissors, cut the tissue paper in half to make 2 sections. Open up each section, fold it in half, cut the folds, then fold each section back until you have 2 smaller accordions. Got it? Next, take your pipe cleaners and wrap them around the centers of each section. Almost there! Woohoo! Cut the ends of each side into cool shapes, like zigzags, curves, or frills. Stretch out the paper to make a circle. Separate the layers. Make them poof and tie a piece of string to hang it. They make great decorations at parties. Isn't it festive? Woo! Now you have a decoration that will never pop. Almost ready for the party. I think the party might need a little pop after all. You're done, balloons! Join the Plastic Blaster and take the Kids vs. Plastic Pledge. Learn more at natgeokids.com/plastic.